Now, for methodology, I will start by explaining the research design. Based on my findings, the research design that will be used is the correlational study. Based on Owen in 2000, correlational studies are used to evaluate and analyze the relationship between variable as well as to stimulate forecast. Correlation studies also identify the variables and the normal relationship between them by Valmy de Souza in 2007. And the reason I chose correlation study due to determine if a relationship exists between cognitive anxiety and sport performance among the respondents. This research design has been chosen to align with the research objective, which is to investigate the relationship between cognitive anxiety and sport performance. Population is characterized as a whole group or group of human beings or elements with one or more common features. After I had an interview with Mr. Jeffrey Jamaluddin, who is the secretary of the ITM Negeri Sembilan Silat Olahraga Club, he stated that the total number of Silat Olahraga athletes of the ITM Negeri Sembilan is 35 people. Therefore, due to a small number of population, the study would be focusing towards all the ITM Negeri Sembilan Silat Olahraga athletes that consists the total of 35. Then, a purposive sampling technique will be used as all athletes will be recruited for the study. The main goal of purposive sampling is to focus on the particular features of an interesting population that will best allow researchers to answer questions of their research. After that, for this study, there were three types of instrument had been used. Part A was the demographic questionnaire, which will question the respondent regarding their age, gender, training, and achievement levels. For Part B was the Cognitive State Anxiety Inventory 2 that consists of 27 items of cognitive anxiety, somatic anxiety, and self-confidence. As for Part C, the Psychological Performance Inventory that consists of 42 items regarding sport performance. As to measure the reliability, pilot tests had been performed. The pilot study used 10 people from UiTM Negeri Sembilan Silat Olahraga athlete as samples. The sample from this pilot study are portrayed as representative of the population. The reliability of the 69 item was investigated. If Cronbach alpha value was greater than 0.6, it were deemed acceptable statistically reliability. For all items in both cognitive anxiety and sport performance, the Cronbach alpha is 0.685 and 0.910 respectively, which shows that the item can be used to reflect the cognitive anxiety and sport performance as reliable. Plus, the Cronbach overall alpha value is 0.907. Therefore, the questionnaire can be summed up as reliable and can be used for the study.